So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 4th till the 10th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, and even if it is resonating 100% with you, just take the messages as the guidance, not as a personal reading. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. We have the Ace of Pentacles. This is someone who feels like having something long term, having something stable. They feel like starting something. This can be a new person, a new energy that's interested in you, or this is somebody who feels like having some kind of business kind of collaboration with you. Along with that, they're looking forward to have something long term. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as their feelings, but they're looking forward to have something stable and long term in this dynamics. Let's clarify this. I have the Strength card and the Four of Wands and the Nine of Swords. Yes, this is someone who feels like Leo is too much in this holding back energy. Leo is mysterious. Leo is not opening up. This is your card only. So they feel like having something long term, having something stable, but they are continuously worried. They are continuously living in some kind of burdensome and heavy kind of energy, especially at night. They are not able to sleep at night thinking about what you are feeling, what you are up to, because you are not expressing too much, you're not saying too much, and or you are not opening at all to this person, to this situation, and it's snatching their sleep away. It's like causing some kind of anxiety and insomnia kind of energies in them, in their energy field, and they are very stressed out, like why the hell is Leo not opening up even if I am ready to provide them something beautiful. Okay, so they feel like you are not interested or you are not opening up, and it is creating a lot of anxiety in their energies. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Page of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like keeping things casual and friendly. You are also interested in having something long term, but maybe not with this person or maybe not right now. So you feel like keeping things very casual and friendly and keeping things quite mature and grounded. Not like, oh my god, I just want butterflies in the stomach and everything like that. No. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Leo. I have this Ace of Cups and the Four of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So you are telling me you feel like you should open up, you should start opening up to new experiences, new people, new situations, but you feel like disappointed that you're never going to get what you want. But you feel like having something stable, someone stable by your side with whom you can have a really beautiful and stable and secure kind of a relationship. So you feel like having it all, but you feel like so disappointed or so much dissatisfied that you feel like you should not open up to anything or anyone, even if you want it, and you should keep things casual, friendly, and I don't care kind of attitude. In this I don't care kind of attitude, because you have a reason, because you're not getting the kind of person that you want, or a specific person that you guys might be stuck on. That's why you feel like keeping things casual and friendly with everyone and not opening up even if you want to. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Page of Wands. This person wants to come forward with a very light-hearted kind of approach, with a very light-hearted kind of energy. Like, let's have fun, let's do this, let's do that, let's spend time together, and let's get to know each other better. So, like these kind of energies. Let's clarify the Page of Wands as their intentions. Okay, so they are also interested in creating a friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of energy in the situation, but they want something serious down the line. That might be the issue here, and you might not liking this person or this person's energy. Two of Swords, King of Cups, yeah, Three of Swords. even if they are heartbroken over the fact that you are not interested in them in that way, they just want to keep things friendly with you. They don't want any kind of up in the air kind of energy. They don't want to create any kind of chaos or confusion. This person just wants to share unconditional, beautiful, mature, and grounded kind of love, even if they're heartbroken, even if they're hurt, because they can understand where you're coming from. Oh my god, Leo, you are dealing with the very mature and grounded kind of energy. I don't know if they are really mature or they're acting like this, but they just want to help you to come out of this heartbroken phase of your life so that you can also heal. So they want to keep things friendly and outgoing and happy go lucky, so that you are not going to get pressurized or feel like they are putting so much pressure on you. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Ace of Wands. You want an exciting brand new beginning, a situation where you are getting butterflies in the stomach. You just want to live your life to the fullest and have a very good experience of life, so that you are going to have great memories down the line. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Leo. So I have the Six of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. You want happiness, you want a soulmate kind of a dynamic, you want everything possible that you can get from a lover, but you don't want to open up. You just want to keep your guards up, or you just want to like make your standards so high that nobody can reach you. Nobody can reach those standards. It's like unrealistic expectations. What the hell you want, Leo? Tell me. Like, we are talking here personally. What the actual heck you want? You know what you want, but you're not ready for it. Even if you want to open up, you're not able to do that. Work on this. This is creating difficulties for you only, Leo. This is not a good thing. Okay. So you want love, you want a soulmate, you want to be happy again, you want to be in a relationship again, but you don't want to open up because either you are scared, or you want a specific kind of a person and or a specific person, or the most important reason, maybe like the most valid reason that I'm getting here, is you are scared as hell. You want it all, but you don't want to open up because you don't want to get hurt again. Typical energies of a human, typical everyone. That's everybody's energies, somehow matching with Leo's Taurus's energies somehow a little bit. They want it, but they don't want to do it anything about it. Okay, that's not how it works. Let's see what could be the potential outcome here for you guys till the 10th of May 2026, Taurus. By the way, happy birthday to all the Tauruses out there. Oh, this is for Leo. I'm really sorry, Leo. Really sorry. Let me do it again. Let me see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Leo, for the till the 10th of May 2026. I don't know how I went from Leo to Taurus. It's for Leo, Leo, Leo. The outcome for Leo people till the 10th of May 2026. Three of Swords, heartbroken as fuck. Everybody's getting hurt this week. What is wrong? Everyone, every sign got this card today in some way, shape, or form. You can watch any video, you will get this card in every reading today. So we all are heartbroken, we all are hurt. I'm fine. Single life is good. Let's clarify the Three of Swords as a potential outcome for Leo people till the 10th of May 2026. I have the Justice, the Queen of Wands, and the Hermit. You guys will be continuously waiting for some kind of justice to happen so that you guys can manifest the life of your dreams, so that you can manifest the man or woman of your dream. And then there is silence. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Like pitch dark silence. I know dark and like silence is not related to dark only, but pitch dark silence, pitch down, whatever the hell. So for some of you, you guys might be waiting for somebody to get a divorce or separation or something so that you guys can be together, but it's not happening, and or the vice versa is true, or simply whatever justice, whatever balance you are seeking for in your life so that you can start manifesting your dream life, it's not happening because right now you are so focused on something to happen so that you can start breathing again. I don't think so it's going to work like this. I think you should start living right now, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. And it's breaking your heart because you are waiting for something or someone to show up in the correct manner, and when it's not happening, it's breaking you, breaking your heart, it's hurting you. And I think it should be the reverse. But anyways, we are humans, we have this tendency to do this, and that's how we learn and we grow. So no comments and no hard feelings. Why should I have hard feelings for anyone? Just reading the cards. Anyways, honey, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. Leo, 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 people, Leo. Gosh, Leo. We have the Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. See, if you're planning to leave something or someone behind, like by ghosting them, by not talking to them, by not clearing the air with them, don't do that shit. Have courage. Leo are very courageous people. I know that. I have so many Leo friends now. And we never catch up with each other's energies, but we respect each other. Okay, anyways, so before walking away from something or someone, try to have proper communication, heart to heart communication, maybe face to face communication, where both of you are being very, very honest about your feelings, about your thoughts, about your intentions, and you guys are listening to each other. It's not about just talking and talking and talking and nobody's listening. That's not how it works. And clear the air with each other. Like, have the proper clarity and understanding of where a situation is going and why you are planning to leave it or stay in it. If it is not happening, the other person is not participating in this clearing the communication saga, then be at least 1000% clear in your head, like why you are planning to like detach or walk away from something, or why you are planning to stay in a particular situation or dynamics, what you are getting out of it, what is going to be the end result of your doing something or not doing something. So basically you have to have this proper clear cut clarity and understanding of why you are doing what you are doing and what is going to be the end result of that action of yours or inaction of yours. Okay, so before jumping into any kind of conclusion, make sure you are getting all the boxes checked, and then you're making the final choice or decision in a particular situation. Cool, my love. So yeah, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just leave it behind. Okay, what else? If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your particular situation if you want to. Okay, and I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. For what? You know better than me. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Okay, so that's the answer for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.